I shall be going fishing today. I don't know what it is like. Most people do it. It's like if I pass Portmore when they're on the toll. Like if they're on the highway, I come Portmore. You see me? And then when I see people over the bridge, over the old bridge, I fish. I'm gonna take it with me.
Yeah.
How much is it? They make all cheap and clean.
Yeah, man.
Hello, subscribe.
Yeah, man.
I feel like this one.
How much what the price on this?
I don't know. What is it?
No man, that's the barcode.
How much in there? The find out how much in there, bro. Anything that I grab myself one at a time, give my son my next one. You feel that? You feel that?
Look how sturdy.
You have one line for that now.
So magazine, so like if you try to catch something with this, it's not supposed to look.
See that? Just pull off this and extend it out.
Oh.
You feel it, bro? Shit.
Oh god.
No, what I'm saying.
Right-handed.
So what
It matter?
Yeah. It matter to me. I'm gonna feel like a handicap on my left. Hold on, eh? This is something now. You come back, sir.
Which one? This?
With the wheel, huh?
Yeah, she said the wheels are different from it.
Really? As in, so
But I see about 8 bills to this.
So when I just buy that one, you just buy that one.
The wheel sell different from it?
Let us get that one. Alright, is this in focus? Got some stuff. Where is the motive now? No man, go on man, me link you, go on. Let's go on. Yeah, go on. Okay. So I just got some stuff at a Chinese store in Spanish Town, Cool Oasis. It's no Cool Oasis? No. Oasis Plaza. But now like I got these things dirt cheap. So I got, let me focus this properly. All of this and this fishing. How much pound this? Oh, when I reach the place, this is a 20-pound fishing. 23-pound, like so. Let's run it back. Because if it's too heavy, the fish them are say the card, something like that. But it's so slide. Stay one place now. Alright, don't move. Alright, okay. Because if it's too heavy, the fish them are go see it and swim away. What? Let me see how the whole of this work out. Some said cheap and clean. Some look on things for a while. Okay, on the road. I like the way you move. Bum, bum, bum. I like the way. Alright, so my daughter now. Well, there's somewhere here the plane there, but there's somewhere where they're close to Palisades. Yo, George. It's a big crocodile probably there underneath us, you know. It's slightly too dark. It's a big crocodile probably underneath us. The old TV, first time outside. fishing.
Come here, the party. Come here, bro.
This is what this thing is like. Water dirty still.
Stefan, water.
Them fish I can eat?
Every fish can eat in the pot.
I don't know what about it.
Except
I don't know what about it.
except for the one on my ear.
I don't know what about it.
Except for the one on my ear when I call fish.
But yo, God, it's a nice one. It's a nice, but the water just look dirty, bud. Sit down.
Not much different from record, man. That's the wheel.
So this is the one I buy for 2,000 a while ago. It look expensive. This is what you call cheap and clean, you know. Yeah, the string it.
Slack it now. Supposed to run steam, supposed to lock. Oh, lock yourself.
You know that?
That means that's the one, that's
Yeah. You're gonna lift up this. Lift up this when you're gonna fling it out.
Lift up what?
This, when you're gonna fling it out. When you're gonna fling it out, you lift it and wall it and wheel it and it go out. And when you're done, you drop it back down so. It will stop spin. That's it. So. Alright.
Fisherman.
We are use fish on them line them I go use.
Eh?
Fish on the line them I go
What,
use.
this two thin?
No. I use the floater this straight like this
I
straight.
don't know what me are doing.
That me I say. Easy like you know where make it
I
seem
don't know what
like
me are doing, but that's... Which one I think best?
So which line you
I
use?
don't know what me are doing.
It all depends.
Oh, some big fish that just jump up there, side.
Alright, so you can use the floater and drop the line then.
Alright. Love knife.
Yeah man. So I go use straight line. Come in, I hook them now. The water raw. And that just
okay, this is slightly move it.
Move it, feel it. Pick it
So this fling it out.
this gear make it give the weight. Forgot. As far as possible.
So what? So that's supposed to line fly for this.
Line off fly for that brother.
So my finger we got this one.
You're not so strong for fling, you have to swing it past the mangrove there so for the line come off our fight.
No 600 meters that man. Also, I think that's something like that.
Same thing?
Yeah, your boss way?
Got the bus off?
No,
it's a release.
When you do your finger, remember your finger of the judge this.
I get you like a bitch a while ago, you know that.
I'm first time.
I just already threw it like a bitch.
More like a bitch a while ago. Poor child.
Nah, you're not quite correct.
Yeah, bro, watch it. Go far, go. Watch it.
Just take time, wheel it, push it back.
Good, we have got find some for fixes.
Me try to it.
Yeah.
One big one yourself.
So I'm going to use this one then as well.
It's not hook on. So, for this, you flip up this if you want to let it out.
You want to draw it? You want to draw it?
Hey, this too long?
Yeah, draw it. lock it on. Yeah.
What is this?
Okay, that good.
And then you lock it now.
No, wait.
Yeah, hold my fingers up. So.
And we have to let go. That.
Another first time. Another first time.
This time I do my swing and look out at behind me there sing then. And say,
Then wait, do you lock it again for wheel team?
Bro.
Why them fish are gonna get none? Fish, watch yourself. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. So just a while ago, he was recording for me since I could do record and not shoot at the same time. So we're gonna see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if I can show him the rope. I just learn. So let me see how best I can teach him.
When that end of the year,
Teach him, son.
what that's up? Left on your use. Alright, so when the man they sink at the end of the year, you let go this. So you go so.
If you catch fish
Let
by
go.
the phone.
Oh, it means if you get fish from the phone.
You see it? Simple. Once it get over the water, you let it go. And you that.
If you catch fish by the phone, but hard now realize.
Yeah, come on. Take your time, my Willie Teen. Take your Willie Teen too fast, man. So them gonna think say, them gonna know say it's not real food. Come, fling it out there again. Remember for hold on pan this. You hold on pan it. Yeah, you hold it right there, so. You hold it no man. Use the finger here, hold it. You hold it. Then you throw it out. Let me see. No man, you just hold it. No man, just hold it. Alright, you hold it. Once you hold it, then you just wheel it. Swing it out. Swing it out and then let it go when you reach the water. When you reach over the water. Alright, so wheel it up, stop. Hold on upon this. Then remember, when you reach over the water, no man, you don't need this. Just swing it out. Use it to one. Swing it out and then let it go. Yes, just like that. I'm not like this. So this is really my first time doing them type of stuff here, and I must say it feels, let me focus this properly. It's slightly it boring. Like I don't know, I could have done them type of stuff here because I have to sit down and wait. Throw line. When you throw out the line, you have to make sure say the bait, which is the meat where the fish is supposed to eat, not too big or too small. These are not my type of things still. I thought it would be fun. Well, to an extent, but it's alright. I probably too many catching fish yet, so I feel kind of workless. This focus. So we change location right now. Where's the fish catch? I feel like a boss right now. Like we change location. I'm gonna see how this works out with catching a fish. Unfortunately, it can't work as well because in order to catch a fish, then you actually have to walk out into the water. I give up. I tried, never had a workout for me, and after hours of being out here, change the location, it no work. The cheap rod them for buy, not good. It's cheap. So this is one of the downfalls of buying cheap and clean stuff. Cheap and look clean, but it never work out for me. So here we are. I'll try this again the next time and see it go. It was kind of fun. They say the fishermen them have a lot of patience, and I must say I don't have that much. I don't have that much. Give a little light right so. I don't have that much, and for no say yo, but take the time out and say yo, I go try and catch something in the water, but it just never worked out for me, isn't it? So here, see you. Yeah, see you. The viewers, try this. So I'll see you again.